Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI innovations and tools.
Y'all, ChatGPT just helped me write a breakup text, a job resume, and a rap song in 5 minutes. What is this sorcery?
Here are 5 top AI tools you used to be using. First, ChatGPT, the king of smart chats and instant answers.
Tool number 2, Notion AI. It writes, organizes, and thinks with you. Your Brainl's new best friend.
Number 3 is Pictory AI. Turn boring text into stunning videos in just minutes.
At number 4, Canva Magic Studio. One prompt and boom, eye-catching visuals done.
5th is Claude AI. Smart, smooth, and sounds superhuman. It's crazy good.
Want more AI gems? Subscribe to AI Innovations and Tools. Comment, like, and share now.